Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to select white object on white background. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image. Make a copy of it by Ctrl J. Select a solid color. I'm using red. Change blend mode to color burn. Now click on the color and pick a light shade. Select both color and copy image and merge it. Now select Magic Wind tool and click on the background. Hide above a red layer image and activate main image. Add mask and hit Ctrl I invert, and that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video soon. I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.